Here's the problem most beginners face. They spend all their time creating websites, writing emails, and figuring out tech. Yet they never actually make a sale. The ClickBank Super Funnel solves the problem by giving you a complete, done-for-you system that's already proven to convert. Here's what happens when you use it. Once people enter your funnel, the system captures their email, follows up with a ready-made sequence, and presents them with both entry-level and high-ticket offers. You don't need to write copy, design pages, or host webinars. It's all built in. This means you can focus on driving traffic while the funnel works on autopilot, warming up your leads, building trust, and making sales even when you're offline. It's a smarter, faster way to start affiliate marketing because instead of learning everything the hard way, you're leveraging a system that's already doing the heavy lifting. Click the link below now to discover how to start earning commissions on Autopilot with the ClickBank Super Funnel.